Imagine a world where life-saving drugs could be developed twice as fast. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that's exactly what Onepot AI is aiming for, and they've just secured $13 million to make it a reality. For Daniil, Boiko, and Andrei Tyrin, the founders of Onepot AI, the inspiration struck from a shared frustration. As Boiko, a PhD candidate in machine learning for chemistry at Carnegie Mellon, explained to TechCrunch, the best ideas in drug discovery were often blocked not by biology, but by the sheer difficulty of synthesizing the necessary molecules. Think of molecule synthesis like building with Legos. You need the right pieces, smaller molecules, to create something bigger and more complex, a drug. But crafting those tiny building blocks is no easy feat. Boiko realized that drug researchers were abandoning promising ideas simply because the chemical synthesis seemed too daunting. These compounds never even got a chance to be tested, he lamented. Tyrin, who holds a bachelor's in computer science from MIT, saw the problem from a different angle. During his work on computational drug discovery pipelines, he noticed a glaring disconnect. Models could generate ideas in hours, but it could take months for the lab to catch up. Here's where it gets controversial. While the world pours money into molecular design, the harder problem of actually making those molecules has been largely overlooked. But Boiko and Tyrin didn't stop there. They also highlighted a geopolitical angle, vulnerable global supply chains, and the US's renewed competition with China. Small molecule synthesis needed to be rebuilt from the ground up in the United States, Boiko asserted. Enter Onepot AI, a company that's not just talking about solutions, they're building them. Their small molecule synthesis lab, Pot 1, and their AI organic chemist, Phil, are designed to streamline the process of compound synthesis for biotech and pharma partners. On Wednesday, the company emerged from stealth mode with $13 million in funding, led by 50 Years, alongside investors like Khosla Ventures, Speed Invest, OpenAI co-founder Wojciech Zaremba, and Google's chief scientist Jeff Dean. The problem they're tackling is massive. Traditionally, pharma and biotech companies either hire entire teams of chemists or outsource to contract research organizations overseas. Creating a single compound can take months and cost thousands of dollars, involving endless trial and error. The main limiting factor isn't testing these compounds, but making them in the first place, Tyrin pointed out. We aim to compress this down to days. Onepot's solution is deceptively simple. Clients choose from a catalog of molecules, and Onepot's technology synthesizes and ships them either as dry compounds or solutions in plates or vials. But the real magic happens behind the scenes. Boiko and Tyrin have built a lab where AI agents access molecule recipes to learn what works and what doesn't. Every detail of the synthesis process is meticulously recorded, from temperature to ingredient ratios, ensuring experiments are reproducible even years later. And this is the part most people miss. Their AI doesn't just rely on theoretical data, it generates hypotheses from real-world experiments. This approach could revolutionize how we think about drug discovery. The fundraising journey was hectic, Boiko admitted, but a chance introduction to their lead investor turned into a multi-hour brainstorming session on industrializing synthesis. Now, with fresh capital, Onepot plans to build a second lab in San Francisco, expand their team, and enhance their compound discovery engine. Competitors like WuXi and Enamine are already in the space, but Boiko and Tyrin are confident in their unique approach. Their ultimate goal? To make drug discovery at least twice as fast and to unlock the potential of weird chemistry, the kind scientists once thought was off-limits. You're not just speeding up drug discovery, Boiko said. You're expanding the design space for what drugs and materials can be. That drug we haven't discovered yet? It might be out there, waiting for us to find it. What do you think? Is Onepot AI onto something revolutionary, or is the challenge of molecule synthesis too complex to be solved this way? Let us know in the comments.